Welcome to my projectbazaar.com. My project topic is improving sleep disorder diagnosis through optimized machine learning approaches. This is our project abstract. Classifying sleep disorders such as obstructive sleep apnea and insomnia is crucial for improving human quality of life due to their significant impact on health. The traditional expert-based classification of sleep stage, particularly through visual inception, is challenging and prone to error. This fact highlights the need for accurate machine learning algorithm for analyzing, monitoring, and diagnosing sleep disorder. This paper compares the machine learning algorithm for sleep disorder classification, specifically targeting non-sleep apnea and insomnia using the sleep health and lifestyle dataset. We conduct two experiments. In first one, we select key feature from the SG boost, and then we choose two key features using a same methodology in second experiment. SGBoost achieved strong classification performance across all evaluation metrics, including precision, recall, F1 score, while all providing fast computation time. These results demonstrate that SGBoost is well suited for sleep disorder detection tasks due to its robustness, speed, and interoperability. SGBoost was selected as core algorithm for high accuracy, built-in feature important speed and efficiency, robustness to missing and noisy data, scalability. This web-based application demonstrates the practical use of SGBoost in analyzing health and lifestyle data for early detection of sleep disorder. Its high performance, reliability, and speed make it valuable tool for individual aiming to better understand and manage their step health. This is a flowchart diagram. And first, data collection. Data collect the health and the lifestyle data and do pre-process step. The step include the clean, normalize, encode categorical variable. Then feature engineering. Select key feature using important technique like mean decrease impurity, and then do model training. We use three algorithms: SGBoost, random forest, and logistic regression, and then evaluate model, measure accuracy, precision, F1 score, and then choose top model based on this performance and save the best model into pickle file. And if user enter the health details and predict the sleep disorder. uh, it is the three type: no disorder, sleep apnea, and insomnia. And also display this is our project explanation step. First, the data collection, user input, health and lifestyle data, pre-processed data, and featuring. This all are back-end step. And next, model training. In this project, we use the three algorithm: SGBoost, random forest, and logistic regression. In this step, in our application, click compare algorithm. Show three algorithm uh, with accuracy. And in this project, we achieved SGBoost 95.00%. This is the highest accuracy in compared to three model. And then next, find the best model and train model and save into the pickle file. And then this is the user submit health data and predict sleep disorder. In this step in our application, click analysis. This is the sleep health and lifestyle questionnaire. User enter all inputs and click submit for analysis. It show the disease, sleep and apnea, insomnia, and no disorder. This is a project output. And this tool analyze your health pattern and provide data driven insight. Click start your analysis. If you have a already account, enter username and password. If you don't have any account, click register here and enter username, mail id, and password. Click register. After register successfully and go to login page, enter the username and password. After login successful, enter to a dashboard. Enter gender, age and occupation. Sleep. 30 minutes. Physical activity and stress level. Enter the blood pressure on heart rate and enter daily steps. After enter all inputs, click submit for analysis and predicted result sleep apnea, and also displayed feature extract sleep duration, stress level, physical activity and screen time. Show the accuracy, sensitivity, precision, specificity, and this is show why predict sleep apnea. And submit for another health data and click submit for analysis. It show the health sleep profile, no indicate sleep disorder, and also view tips for great sleep. And click compare algorithm. We use 3 algorithm: SGBoost, random forest, logistic regression. Show accuracy. SGBoost achieve 95%, random forest achieve 92%, logistic achieve 77.50%. And after analysis, click logout and go to a dashboard. Thank you.